Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss the chemistry question paper which is given in JEE Mains 2025 day 5 shift 2, that is the last session of the phase 1, which will be very helpful for you to attempt for the next phase 2. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates regarding chemistry, especially for mains, NEET and other competitive exams of +1 and +2 level. Thank you. First question, which of the following is animal starch? We know glycogen is an animal starch. The second one, statement type question, the ionic radius order is, they have given F minus greater than FO minus 2 greater than Na plus greater than Mg plus 2. But we know the O minus 2 ion is greater than F minus, right? So the statement 1 is incorrect. Statement 2, electron gain enthalpy order, they have given only the magnitude they have mentioned, where the chlorine has the highest electron gain enthalpy, so which is correct statement. Third one, they have given the structure, hydrocarbon, unsaturated hydrocarbon, and they have asked to calculate the total number of sigma and pi bonds. We got 15 as the answer. Check the structure once. The next one, chromite ore with sodium carbonate. It is in the preparation of potassium dichromate. First we get sodium chromate, right? So regarding that equation, they are asking for molecular mass of insoluble product in the first step. So you can check the first step reaction, the balanced equation, where sodium chromate is insoluble product and the molecular mass is 160. The next one, the complex ions they have given, and they are asking us to calculate the order of crystal field stabilization energy. We know crystal field stabilization energy is directly proportional to the strength of the ligand, the charge of the central metal ion, and inversely proportional to the size of the central metal ion. Based on that, you can check the order here, where the complex 4 greater than 3 greater than 2 greater than 1. Next one, what is the value of I for A to B when 30% is dissociated? If you know the formula, you can easily substitute and calculate the Van 't Hoff factor I, that is 1.6. This time they have asked direct questions. If you know the formulas, you can easily substitute and you can easily get the answers. This time this phase is very easy regarding chemistry. I think the cutoff will also be increased based on the chemistry question paper. The next one, for a compound Clemmensen reduction they have given, and we know the carbonyl compound readily converts into methylene group, not the ester. So based on that point, you can check the answer also. The next one, based on the mechanism, here they have given 3-step process where the slow step involves only 2 reactants, hence the order of the reaction is 2. Next one, 1, 2 dibromo 4 nitrobenzene on reacting with the sodium ethoxide, where the substitution takes place, they have asked, and the answer you can check here, where the nitro group is at meta position of the Br, that Br readily substituted by that sodium ethoxide ion. Next one, among the following which are steam volatile? We know orthonitrophenol has the lowest boiling point due to intramolecular hydrogen bond, hence it is steam volatile. Next one, which is strongest oxidizing agent? The one with the higher the SRP value will act as a strong oxidizing agent. So based on the simple statement, you can easily answer the question. The next one, the IP of E is 300 kilojoule per mole, and EGE of ABCD they have given, and they are asking us to write the correct order of ionic nature of EA, EB, EC and ED. Here the EB is greater than EA, greater than ED and EC. The next one, Lambda versus root C, when we draw a graph for strong electrolyte, we know we get a straight line with a negative slope, whereas with the weak electrolyte we get a curve. But at infinite dilution there is a small increase in the molar conductivity. It's only for strong electrolyte. So based on this point they have given the question in the JEE mains. Next one, they have given two reactions, half reactions. One is oxidation, the other is reduction, and asked us to write the correct nest equation. So the original nest equation contains minus after that E naught. So the original nest equation is E is equal to E naught minus RT by NF into ln reaction quotient Q, that is a product by reactants concentration. So this is the basic formula. There are many formulae on this particular nest equation, but this is the basic formula, and from this we can come to know that this particular question paper setter stick to the basics. Anyhow, here the answer is E is equal to E naught minus RT by NF into ln mg plus 2 divided by Ag plus whole square. Next, the matching question they have asked, again the complexes ions and the central metal ion hybridization. You can easily check the answer. Next one, the correct order of melting point of D block elements, and especially from D block elements they are asking the questions based on the graphs, the physical properties or the atomic enthalpies, whatever it may be. Stick to the textbook, NCERT textbook. They have asked this question, and where the iron is having more melting point when compared to manganese, and check the graph also once. Next one, for an organic compound, a series of reagents they have given and asked us to calculate the molecular weight of the product when 0.1 mole of reactant is taken. I think 0.1 mole, for the 0.1 mole product they are asking us to calculate the weight of the final product. You can check the final product here, and the molecular weight is 130, but for 0.1 mole product the weight is 13 grams. Next one, which of the following are nucleophiles? They have given some compounds and asking us to predict how many are the nucleophiles. The answer is 6. The next one, relation between lambda versus Ke. Regarding the relation, they asked us to predict the graph which is plotted between 1 by root Ke versus lambda. You can check the relation and graph here. Let's move to the next one. The radius of the first Bohr's orbit of hydrogen atom is A0. Second Bohr's orbit they asked. We know the relation R is equal to 0.53 into n square by z, and R2 here is 4A0. Next one, half mole of argon gas is kept in a closed vessel at 298 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere, absorbs 500 joules of heat. Final temperature of the gas and change in internal energy they asked. This is based on the formula Qp is equal to N into Cp into delta T, where Cp is equal to 5 by 2 into R. So by substituting all the values we get the internal energy change as 300 joules. Next one, dissociation of Ab2 into A2 and B2. Here the total equilibrium pressure given as capital P and degree of dissociation as alpha, and asking us to find the relation between alpha and Kp. Here you can see the solution. Next one, 1 gram of most basic compound reacts with HCl. The mass of HCl consumed in milligrams they have asked. Here the alkyl amine when treated with HCl readily forms salt, the primary amine, with excess of HCl. So number of moles nothing but 1 by 107, because it is 1 milligram of alkyl amine. So you can check the solution here. Anyhow, the final answer, the mass of HCl consumed is approximately 0.341 grams. Thank you for watching my video. You can like the video if you like, and share to your friends who are going to appear for phase 2 JEE main exam. Thank you.